Hi, I'm Lunya, and it's been 0 days since I last time complained about YouTube Studio. Today, we're complaining about the YouTube's search feature experiment, which is terrible in itself because it's actually not working. But here is an addendum to the last video where I mentioned that the held section, the comments get held even if moderation is disabled. So here, settings, upload defaults, advanced settings, comments on moderation none, okay? And guess what? You're so helpful, I don't know how to thank you. Automatically held. Like, what the fuck, YouTube? If someone says an N-word inside of my comments section, it doesn't get held. But then a random comment thanking me for helping them install an existing game in Epic Games gets held automatically. Hello? Anyway, the point of today's video is the search feature, which is terrible in itself. So, let's say there is the general compliments as one of the default selections you can pick. Now, let me show you. Here is a compliment saying that my programming projects are really goated. Now, guess what happens if I search for general compliments? Okay, this one worked fine, but then you've got this thanks message, which is apparently a compliment. But where is the other compliment that I've shown like 2 seconds ago? Yeah, so this search doesn't work. Another example is excitement and enthusiasm, which just doesn't work, or just shows the same things as the other search, but like previous attempt at recording, it didn't show anything. Now we can test it with a custom search as well, so let me test it with meowing, which there is a few meows in my... Now you can't make this shit up. It found a random comment which just says Teto, because the background of this video has Teto in it. But I was searching for meowing, how does that fucking make sense? And if you clear the search, there is a meow right here. So why the fuck is the search not working? You know, I would wish to freaking execute this search using, you know, this, but then you don't have a clear way to actually like kill it. Right now I killed search, but I don't know if I killed something else with it. And I don't want to risk this. I don't know if this is gonna work. Because the idea is chip 2. What happens if chip 2 gets changed for something else? Maybe if I apply 3 things inside of here, third one will be invisible. Yeah, so that's why I don't want to use uBlock Origin to block this. Because you cannot block it reliably. See, I added 3 search conditions here. If I add a third one, it doesn't appear because the ID is chip 2. Just like it showed me inside of the uBlock Origin extension. This applies to all segments, so if I do this inside of here, visibility public, let's say views is above 1, and the video is not for kids. The third one is going to be invisible because of defaulter. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this very silly video, and I'll see you guys in another one. Goodbye.